Palo Alto versus Cisco 2025. Which network security solution is right for you? Most people get network security wrong by thinking all firewalls are the same. In 2025, both Palo Alto and Cisco offer powerful solutions, but they serve different needs. Palo Alto is known for its next-generation firewall, threat intelligence, and deep traffic inspection. You won't believe what happens next. Its automated threat detection and cloud integration help prevent breaches before they impact your business. Cisco focuses on a broad portfolio, including firewalls, VNs, endpoint protection, and secure network access. The surprising truth is that Cisco excels in enterprise environments with complex networks, offering scalability and extensive support. For smaller companies or those needing advanced analytics, Palo Alto may provide faster insights and easier management. Cisco is ideal for large-scale deployments, hybrid cloud networks, and organizations that already use Cisco infrastructure. Pricing varies widely depending on features and licensing, so evaluate your network size and security requirements carefully. Both platforms are highly reliable, but your choice should align with technical expertise, budget, and long-term strategy. In conclusion, choose Palo Alto if you want cutting-edge threat prevention with strong cloud capabilities. Choose Cisco if you need comprehensive network coverage, scalability, and integration across large enterprises. Both are top tier in 2025, but your environment and goals determine the best fit.